Okay, so once you get to this page, you're going to click on one of your courses. So we'll click on Social 114. Then there's several different ways to do it from here, but I find the easiest way to grade the discussion board is to come up here and go to Grades. And then scroll over and you'll see that they're worth, most of them are worth 25 points. So you can go up here and you'll see Studying the Family. Anything worth 25 points is usually my discussion. And then we'll click on Studying the Family. And this is where I've asked my question. And here's all the replies. But you can't quite grade them from there. So click on these three dots. Click on Speed Grader. And wait a minute, they'll come up. And then you'll see the students' post. And then you'll see their responses. In every post, they're supposed to answer the question and then reply to two people. So then we just read it to see what they've said, make sure they've supported the things that they've said. This one has a rubric, so you can click on View the Rubric. And let's see if I can make it bigger. And let's say you liked what they did. So expert post, answered the question, all the criteria are there. So you click on that. And then the first reply, was it good, average, or needs work? So this looks average. So I'm going to say average. And the next one looks average, so I click on that. And when I do that, I have to scroll back over and click Save. And when you click Save, it shows up right there. Then if there's anything you need to say to the student, you can go down into additional comments. You don't have to, but you can. And in this one, I'm going to say maybe make your responses a little longer. Click Submit or it won't save it. And you're done. Then come over and see the little arrow at the top here. Click on that and it takes you to the next person. You can see this one I've already graded and you can just click your way through. So if you click on View the Rubric, that is the easiest way to do it. Okay, hope this makes sense.